Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a private server on Grow Garden of Roblox. Okay, first of all, you need to open up your Roblox and open up the Grow a Garden game. And then you're going to scroll down until you find the servers here. Okay, and it's still loading. Alright, and if you want to create a private server, you can click on create private server here. But as you can see, I have already created a private server, so I can't create it anymore. I have created the maximum number of free private servers for this experience. So this is my server, guys. I name it Grow, and I'm going to click on join. Okay, and this is my server on Grow a Garden. Okay, and if you want to invite your friend, you can click on this menu and then you can click on invite friends. Okay, then you can invite your friends to join your server. Okay, and I'm just going to leave it because I don't want to play. And okay guys, that's all the way to create a private server on Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!